that once upon a time, when the sky had no wings of the night, deep inside a lush ancient forest, there lived a small creature. It had sharp claws, big ears, and a strange love for darkness. This creature wasn't a bat, not yet, but it was the ancestor of the bats we know today. It couldn't fly, it only crawled and climbed trees. But it liked to hunt insects at dusk, when birds had gone to sleep and the moon was rising. One day, the elder of the group, a creature with unusually long fingers, said, "We cannot live like this forever. Birds soar above us, and we only hide beneath the leaves." The group looked up at the night sky. No one answered, but deep inside, a small spark of dream was born. Then, over millions of years, something magical happened. Their fingers stretched out like long branches. The skin between their fingers turned into thin wings. Their eyes grew smaller, but their ears larger, because in the dark, hearing matters more than sight. Their teeth became sharper, perfect for catching mosquitoes in the night. And most amazing of all, they learned to fly, not like birds, but with their hands. And so, the very first bat was born, not beautiful like a peacock, not powerful like an eagle, but a true master of the night. They didn't need light, because they saw with their ears. They made tiny sounds and listened to the echoes to find their way. Humans would later call this power echolocation. As the centuries passed, bats spread across the world. Some lived in caves, some near human towns, some ate fruits, and some drank blood and inspired the legend of vampires. And today, bats are the only mammals that can truly fly. They are not just strange creatures, they are a miracle of evolution. So next time you're out at night and hear soft wings in the air, it might just be a descendant of those ancient climbers gliding silently above you, gentle, quiet, and truly incredible. If you're a kid at heart or a curious adult, I have 3 versions for you. First, if you're young at heart, there is a shorter version for kids. Once upon a time, there were no bats. There were only small climbing animals who loved to eat bugs. They lived in a big forest and climbed trees to get food. But at night, the owls and the moths flew around and they were scared. So they dreamed of being able to fly to over millions of years. Their fingers became wings and they could fly like airplanes, swooping and diving through the air. Their bodies became sleek and thin like arrows. They could see with their ears and use echolocation to find yummy bugs in the dark. They became nocturnal, sleeping during the day and hunting at night. And today, we have over 1,400 kinds of bats all over the world. They are the only mammals that can truly fly. They are not just strange creatures, they are a miracle of nature. For those who want more science in their stories, here is a science-based report. Bats, the only mammals that can truly fly, evolved over millions of years from tree-dwelling mammals. Their wings are modified hands with thin skin stretched between their elongated fingers. This unique anatomy allows them to maneuver easily in 3-dimensional space, giving them incredible agility and control over their flight. But their most fascinating adaptation is echolocation. By emitting high-pitched sounds and interpreting the echoes, bats can navigate and hunt in complete darkness. They also play a vital role in ecosystems by helping to control insect populations and pollinating plants. And for those who love the written word, here is an illustrated version. Long ago, before the first star had glimmered into existence, the forest floor was filled with tiny winged creatures. They loved to spend their days dozing under broad leaves and their nights hunting juicy beetles. But as the stars twinkled overhead, a longing grew within them. They wanted to dance among the stars, to twirl and soar like the fireflies. Night after night, they practiced leaping through the air, stretching their limbs and yearning to fly. And one night, as the full moon bathed the forest in silver light, their wish was granted. With a flap of their new wings, they took to the sky, becoming the first bats. Which version did you like the most? If you'd like a different version, let me know and I'll happily create it for you. Thank you for watching and learning with us. And remember, you can support our work to keep these videos free for everyone.